What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on NY's activity, the NY couple was together again. Nadek Gimiya visited his girlfriend on work. It was sure that Nadek missing Rosaya after the long works. Instagram post Nadek and Rosaya I look so happy carrying the cute dog while they are together.
Stay. Baburin.
Yesterday, Rosaya was having a game question and answer portion. Rosa's beer band answered the question for fans and shared her lacon with Mark Payne, saying thank you to her fans that they remember Rosaya, and she also showed her swing dance last day on Central and a cute photo of her and her plans this year that so many trips, especially she is looking forward on the beach, and she also shared her favorite movie, The Pride and Prejudice, and her favorite book for her reading, and many fans were so happy that they can talk Rosaya through their questions.